Welcome to RadicalWellnessTV.com. This is Laura Lee. I'm a nutritional herbalist and a natural health facilitator, and I'm here to explain to you about the foundations, 8 steps to get your health back, toward getting your health back, which means we're working on foundations right now. So there's 8. So let me tell you what number 1 is. Make your decision. You're one decision away from good health. Once you make that decision and commit to a couple of things, be willing to change and willing to follow directions. Do that for 3 months and you'll see amazing results. So cooperation is very key. Cooperation in your own mind is very key because your mind tells your brain and your brain tells your body. So make it up in your mind first. You have the power. We're very powerful beings. We are amazingly powerful. We don't even know how powerful we are. So we're going to be learning that in these courses. So number 2 is know your starting point. Where are you starting from? There's 3 levels. One level is that you're feeling fine, but you want to stay that way. You want to keep your hearing and your eyesight and everything else and your knees good and all that. How do you do that? And number 2, that you are taking medications, you're drinking coffee, you can't sleep, you're constipated, you have diarrhea, you're irritable, things are just going south and you just don't know what to do. So that's number 2. And number 3 is your doctor told you to go home, you have 6 months to live, and so you need to go get your affairs in order, which I believe is irresponsible of the doctor, but the doctor's probably right, because if you're still on that same path, they can pretty much tell how much the body can take from too much abuse. Anyway, we don't know how to take care of our body, so we're here to learn it right now. So I'm happy that you are here to learn and figure out your starting point. Number 3 is learn your warning signals. Know when your dashboard lights are going off and warning you that something's broken, but it's not totally broken. You can actually help it before it gets really hurting. So in your body, it shows up in pain. So you want to make sure you listen to your body, and there's a lot of different ways that you learn about that. And then there's a thing called make sure you remember your decision to be able to get well. And that's Psych K is what we use, which is muscle testing things about your subconscious to see really what your subconscious is telling you to do, because it runs the show. And then you have a chance to choose if you want to run with your subconscious or if you want to go forward and run with your conscious. So you learn some skills around that. So number 5 would be willing to spend some money. And that is variable, because if you don't have any money, you just work with weeds, you go out in the woods, sweat equity, go out in the woods and pick it yourself, or figure, just do it that way. Or do things around your house. Change up your grocery store to organic, and different things will teach you. Or you can, if you have money, then you can go ahead and drink something first thing on an empty stomach in the morning, and that takes care of all your minerals and stuff. And then eat good food, and you'll still learn a lot too. But just so you know that whatever scale you're starting from, we can work with that as what you're going to be learning. So also be willing to team up. Team up with someone that can hold you accountable or support you, or your loved ones love you. They want to see the best for you, and they're there to help you. So give them a chance to help you, and the best thing you can do for them is to keep your health well, because otherwise you're going to be dealing with, if you don't deal with your health, they'll be dealing with you being sick and or you being dead. And those 2 things are just no fun and unacceptable. So what you want to do is commit 3 months. That's when your blood changes out every 3 months. So it gives it a good, make sure you know what your decision is, that you're going to be able to follow directions and you're willing to change, and then you'll be able to bring it together in 3 months and get some results. If you don't, I will be totally surprised, because I know you will, because I've seen it over and over and over again. Anyway, number 8, it's about starting with cleansing and detoxing and opening all your elimination channels up. So that's what we're going to be showing you in the classes that we're offering in the webinar. So I'm going to go ahead on the next video is explain to you about where your level is. Exactly what level are you starting from? Anyway, love life, and life will love you back. We'll see you in the next video, and hopefully you'll join the webinar. Okay, bye-bye for now. It'll be a good decision. Please like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.